Harihargad, a fort which is roughly around 150 kilometers away from Mumbai and 45 kilometers away from Nashik. This fort is also known as Harishgad or Harshagad and is one of the prominent trekking places in Nashik region.
So on the way we just saw a fabulous waterfall. So we just stopped our car beside and now just look at this view.
So basically there are two base villages for Harihar. One is Harshewadi and the other one is Nirgudpada. If you are coming from Nashik, then you can opt for Harshewadi. But if you are coming from Igatpuri, Kasara or Mumbai, you can opt for Nirgudpada. One can take a 8:15 morning bus from Igatpuri depot or can also hire a private jeep from Kasara which may cost around 2000 to 3000 rupees.
Hi friends, so it's roughly around 11:30 and we have started our trek. We are a bit behind the schedule, but we are a group of just 6 and all are regular trekkers, so we'll cover the time. So we have started this trek from Nirgudpada. The route to Nirgudpada was fabulous. It was totally out of the woods.
Harihargad lies on the upper Vaitarna range near Trimbak in Nashik district. This fort was used as a watchtower on the trade route of Gonda Ghat. The trek from Nirgudpada to the base of the fort is roughly around 3 to 4 kilometers and is quite an easy hike.
So it's around 12:50 and we have completed around 50% of the trek. As I have told you, we are a smaller group and are regular trekkers, so it makes a difference. Within 45 minutes we have completed 50% of the trek and now we are heading towards the steps. As you can see, it's quite sunny out there, but look at here, it's quite dramatic. It was quite sunny few minutes before and the climate has suddenly changed and it's rainy. This is the beauty of trekking in Shravan, that you get to experience the beautiful amalgamation of both the situations. So this is the final steep climb which we have to take before reaching those iconic steps.
श्री छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की जय। हरा हरा महादेव, हरा हरा महादेव।
Situated at an altitude of 3700 feet, Harihar is built on a prism-shaped rock. All the three sides of the fort are vertical, which means it is impossible to climb through it. There is only one approach to the fort, that too with a 90 rock-cut step at a stunning angle of 80 degrees. Such niches on every step makes your climb a bit easy. Also, while climbing, make sure to turn your head for a while to gulp that crazy view. After climbing those scary steps, one reaches to the Mahadarvaja. You then have to traverse on a narrow path which leads you to another 100 steep steps. After climbing this second set of steps, you reach to the top of the fort. So it's around 1:15 and we have reached the top and we'll be now exploring the fort. I don't know if you can see this, but the fog has increased a lot in just span of 2 minutes. And now we are going towards the Balekilla. So now it's around 3:30 and we are leaving Harihar. We just went there at the Balekilla. The views were absolutely amazing and now heading back. So what we did is we reached at the top somewhere around 1:15 to 1:30 and then we had a good lunch. Took a rest of half an hour and now we are moving back. So it is around 4:45 and we have finally reached Nirgudpada and we'll be heading back. See you in the next trek again. Till then, bye bye, see ya.